looked up to immensely as a kid. We used to take me everywhere with him, and all the women liked him, and all the guys liked him. Yeah, it's very unusual. You don't find that much in life where men and women will like a man, and he had all that kind of charisma and appeal. He was blonde, blue-eyed, beautiful smile, stunning-looking human being, but very macho. Not the kind of guy you could tell that, you know. I could say, Ted, man, you're a really beautiful guy. It wouldn't happen. It's not in this conversation. But so, I mean, if you listen to the original version of Gorgeous, which is very, the Misterons and all that kind of lyric, you're such a carbon copy of my brother. I actually cut the tape because it says Ted. And I just didn't want to embarrass him because his friends would never like that. But this song is called Stephen, and it was my frustration, no one looking at me and no one giving me any attention. And I'm paying tribute to him. He is Stephen, this beautiful thing. And I'm talking about myself too. Growing up in a very macho culture where everyone's working out, being tough. And I'm skinny and I can still kick their ass, you know. So it's very much a song about me, please look at me. And it's a song called Stephen. So that's what it's about. And I've had many men, gay men over the years, come up to me and tell me that's their favourite song and they heard it when they were young. I think that's amazing. So I shouldn't really explain what it's about, really. But that's what this is about. Attempt to do it justice. If you want to hear it, it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Just trying to fuck it up. I'm a southern boy with a western smile. I got it where it counts. You can see it for miles. My heart is gold and my teeth are clouded. My bones are thin but my lips, you know, they're shrouded in mystery. When Stephen smiles, my heart just seems to grow. If only I could let the poor boy know. I'm a skinny body, skinny body, skinny body. Won't you pick my pieces up from the floor? I'm up here on the shelf, you know I'm here. When it comes to perfect smiles, I'm first. I just hope you feel as I do. I pray you do. 'Cause I'm a southern boy with a western smile. I'm a southern boy with a western smile. I sure beats it. bones down. I'd give you every single dream you ever wanted. I'd even smile for you. I'd even cry if you just want me to. 'Cause when Stephen smiles, my heart just seems to grow. When Stephen smiles, you know. When Stephen smiles, you know. Of course you know. Of course you know. Of course you know. Of course you know. Skinny body,